uko nao.
Welcome back. We continue to inform you. Time for business news now.
Well, Kenya has urged Japan to remove both tariff and non-tariff barriers, continue to limit the entry of Kenyan agricultural goods such as avocados, tea and flowers into the Japanese market.
President William Ruto, who is on an official tour of Japan, says trade between Kenya and Japan is heavily tilted in favor of Japan due to numerous trade restrictions.
Kenya's exports to Japan remain disproportionately $70 million in 2024 compared to $1 billion in Japanese goods entering the Kenyan market. While bilateral trade has grown by 33% in the past year, the structure of that growth continues to favor Japan, locking Kenyan producers out of higher value segments of the global supply chain.
I am pleased to state that if the Kenyan economy were a living body, its vital organs would confirm robust health. We are now ranked the 6th largest economy in Africa. Our inflation has declined significantly from 9.6% in 2002 and last month. In fact, 8% earlier this year, and we are well on placing ourselves among the stable, vibrant economies in Africa.
With over 123 Japanese companies currently operating in Kenya, President William Ruto says the foundation for a stronger commercial partnership already exists, calling on Japan to relax its numerous trade restrictions for Kenyan goods. Ruto has highlighted several transformative Japanese investments in infrastructure and energy, such as the expansion of the port of Mombasa and the Olkaria geothermal plant, as examples of the high impact potential of bilateral cooperation.
So, as an industry, you should get your members to engage with government, with the executive, with the legislature, in the formal channels that we have established.
Addressing the Yokohama City Assembly, President Ruto has welcomed the signing of a statement of intent to issue a samurai bond. This is expected to be Kenya's entry into yen-dominated debt instruments, which will help diversify Kenya's resource mobilization strategy.
13 county aggregation industrial parks will be ready out of the 45. We are expecting industry to work with us in operationalizing these county aggregation industrial parks so that you can work with us together with other actors in defining what kind of common user facilities do we need in these spaces.
President Ruto has also invited investors to the upcoming Kenya International Investment Conference set for March 2026 in Nairobi and called for a new era of economic engagement focused on balanced trade, sustainable development and joint industrial growth.
Now, the transfer of company shares in special economic zones will not attract capital gains if a bill proposed by the government is adopted by Parliament.
Investment Principal Secretary Abubakar Hassan said